modest proposal, WGI Sport of the Arts is proud to present Oak Ridge High School.
Good afternoon. I come to you with a modest proposal. This idea came to me while talking to a physicist friend of mine at MIT. He was struggling to explain something to me. A beautiful experiment that uses lasers to cool down matter. Now, he confused me from the very start because light doesn't cool things down. It makes it hotter. It's happening right now. The reason that you can see me standing here is because this room is filled with more than 100 quintillion photons, and they're moving randomly through space, near the speed of light. All of them are different colors. They're rippling with different frequencies, and they're bouncing off every surface, including me, and some of those are flying directly into your eyes. And that's why your brain is going to reach you standing. Now, a laser is different. It also uses photons. They're all synchronized. And if you focus them into a beam, what you have is an incredibly useful tool. The control of the laser is so precise that you can perform surgery inside of an eye. You can use it to store massive amounts of data, and you can use it for this beautiful experiment that my friend was struggling to explain. First, you trap atoms in a special ball. It uses electromagnetic fields to isolate the atoms from the noise of the environment. And the atoms themselves are quite finite, but if you fire lasers that are precisely tuned to the right frequency, an atom will briefly absorb those photons and tend to slow down. Little by little, it gets colder, until eventually it approaches absolute zero. Now, if you use the right kind of atoms, and you get them cold enough, something truly bizarre happens. It's no longer a solid, a liquid, or a gas. It enters a new state of matter called a superfluid. The atoms lose their individual identity, and the rules from the quantum world take over. And that's what gives superfluids such spooky properties. For example, if you shine the light through a superfluid, it is able to slow photons down to 60 kilometers per hour. But what seems so slow and racing from the outside, more like chaos inside. And this is the great pleasure of science. The defeat of our intuition through experimentation. But the experiment is not the end of the story, because you still have to transmit that knowledge to other people. Because if you're trying to give someone the big picture of a complex idea, to really capture its essence, the fewer words you use, the better. And this brings me to my mom's proposal. We should use dance to explain all of our complex problems. Use no words at all. that by that day, you'll be able to afford the luxury of just sitting in office with no other purpose than to witness the human form in motion. I come to you with a modest proposal.